The biggest benefit is certainly the standards. This is what all of our businesses are built on and how we build cabinets.
We deal with people who are all about standards, you know, architects and designers. I mean, they're very used to standards in all kinds of things, you know, so I think that they like us giving them a framework for specifying woodwork to help keep them from having to reinvent the wheel every time they do a project.
The biggest asset I see in the standards is that it levels the playing field, right? So that when something is specified as a duty level or specified as a grain characteristics, everyone is looking at it the same way.
The current AWI standard is an ANSI standard, which means that it is public consensus document. And so the pride behind that new standard is that it's not just a standard that's developed isolated in a room by a few individuals who feel that this is best for the industry. That is one step of the process, but the ANSI process requires that then you go from that and you throw it out to the entire public or anybody who would be affected by the standard.
The biggest asset in using the standards probably comes from the fact that I would guess 95% of the architects that we deal with specify the standards. And so again, they understand the standards and they understand what they're going to be getting as the end product.
The biggest value is being able to know that you are requiring a standard in which you know that if a subcontractor or a woodworker is complying with that standard, then you know that you're getting apples to apples, you know, with this product versus that product.
I really like the AWI standards in that they create a level playing field amongst competitors. They also establish expectations. I know the expectations that my client has at the end.